To replace propellers on DJI Mini, we will first have to take these old propellers out. I'm going to use the factory supplied screwdriver because the screws aren't too tight, aren't too loose, and this will do just fine. To remove the propellers, hold the rotor, put the screwdriver in and gently turn counterclockwise. The screws are not too tight, not too loose, so it goes out very easily. Once you take the propellers out, remove the screws, and we will have to clean the holes by putting the screws back in and out so the blue thread locker residue comes out, and we clean the holes before putting new propellers and new screws in. So do it by putting the screw in and out a couple of times so that we clean it. Remove all other propellers and repeat the process with cleaning the holes. And after you remove all of the propellers, dispose of the propeller blades as well as the screws. After removing the old propellers, it's time to prepare the new ones. I opened up 2 DJI supplied propeller packs. So I have 4 of these, 4 of those, plus 8 of the screws. The screws already have a tiny bit of Loctite applied to them, so make sure you use the new screws. And what's important is to align these propellers correctly. So 4 of these have these little markings on them. They will be used on those arms that have the same marking right here. Okay, and 4 of these, they don't have any markings, so those will go to arms without any markings. Okay, so let's now put the propellers on. Let's start with the first. If you find that the screw isn't going in easily, you will need to take the screw out and reposition the propeller. This one was fitted nicely. Second one. Okay, remember, not too tight but not too loose. So once again, I'm checking my arm, it has the marking, so I can use the blade with the marking on it. After I'm finished installing these new blades, I'm going to do a little test by getting the drone fly for a little bit and check if these screws are still holding nicely. Let me check all of them now. Seems like the new propeller blades are holding fine. I am back after a little test ride. Let's check the screws. Everything is holding nice and steady. And if you manage to watch this video until this moment, thank you very much for watching. I hope you did find it useful, and let me know any questions in the comments below.